Welcome once again to Garfin's creation. Today, let's make chicken sausage curry. We also call it as chicken cocktail curry. It's simple, delicious and easy to prepare. You'll find all the ingredients in the description box below. So let's start with the recipe. So here, these are all the ingredients needed for this curry. I have taken 200 grams of chicken sausage. We will be cutting this down into smaller pieces later. We also need to grind a masala paste for this. For that I have taken half a cup of coconut, 2 green chillies, 8 small cloves of garlic, half an inch of ginger, handful of coriander leaves. I have taken a lemon-sized ball of tamarind and just soaked it in water for some time. In place of tamarind, you can use vinegar as well. We will finely chop 1 medium-sized onion and 2 small tomatoes as well. I've also taken 1 large potato and have cubed it into smaller pieces. You can also increase the quantity of the potato. And 1 tablespoon of bottle masala. You can replace the bottle masala with some Malvani masala or Sunday masala as well. With all these ingredients, we will season it with some salt as well. So let's start with the recipe now. These are 200 grams of chicken sausages. I'll be cutting them into 2 pieces. As per your liking, you can even cut them into 3 pieces depending on the size of the sausages. In place of chicken sausages, you can also use pork sausages. So after cutting these, I'll just keep it aside for some time. And now let's grind the masala paste. So to make the masala paste, we'll be adding the coconut, the green chilies, garlic, ginger and the coriander leaves. And we'll just grind this into a paste by using a little water and I'll just get it back. So after you have got the green paste, you'll be just adding the bottle masala into it. So I'll just grind this for a few seconds so that it mixes well with the green masala. We can also add the bottle masala separately later too. So once mixed, this is how the masala paste would look like. So now once we've got everything ready, let's make the sausage curry. To make the sausage curry, I've heated a pan and will be adding 2 tablespoons of oil into it. And now we'll let the oil and the pan heat up well and then we'll be adding the onions into it first. This is 1 medium-sized onion that has been finely chopped. We will just fry these onions till it's a little bit brown. This will take around 2 minutes on medium flame. Once the onions are a little brown and soft, we'll be adding the finely chopped tomatoes. We will cook these tomatoes for around 2 to 3 minutes till they get nice and soft. These tomatoes are cooked well and they've got fully smashed and mushy. Next, we'll be adding the ground masala paste into it. Along with the masala paste, I'll also rinse the jar with half a cup of water and add it into the pan. We'll just give this a quick stir and be adding the diced potato pieces. And we'll also be adding half a teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt as per your taste. Now we'll just mix all of this together nicely. We'll let this masala cook for around 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Do keep stirring this in between. So after 3 to 4 minutes, to make this into a nice gravy, I've just added half a cup of more water. You can add more water too, as this gravy will thicken up later too. Now we will cover this with a lid and let the masala and the potatoes cook for around 3 to 4 minutes. Do keep stirring this in between, and once the potatoes are nicely cooked, we will be adding the sausages. Give this also a nice mix. To let this chicken sausages cook, we will cover it once more and let this cook for around 5 minutes. You also need to keep stirring this in between. If you need more gravy, you can adjust the water and add a little more warm water now. So it's been almost 5 minutes, the cocktails are cooked and now we'll be adding the tamarind juice. I've added 1 teaspoon and we'll be adding 1 more teaspoon of the tamarind juice. You can replace the tamarind juice with lemon juice or vinegar too. Now we'll just give this a good mix and let it come to one boil, and our delicious cocktail curry will be ready. And there, our chicken sausage or chicken cocktail curry is ready to be served with some nice hot rice or even chapatis. I hope you do like this recipe as well. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe to Garfin's Creation. There are many more easy recipes coming up. So I'll see you soon again in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.